Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.